Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Cosori air fryer. We've had it for about a year. We did an initial review of it, that we liked it, and I wanted to give you an update a year later on how it's been performing for us. So we use this thing constantly. We use it, and we'll put some of our favorite air fryer recipes below. So we do just a ton of different stuff with it. My favorite right now is the Supreme Crunch, Taco Supreme Crunch that we do in it. And it turns out fantastic. It's just delicious. You'll have to try it yourself. But you can see that we use this constantly. It's kind of dirty, actually, because we use it constantly. Probably could have cleaned it up a little bit before this video, but you know what? That's life. So this is the air fryer. You can see that we use the basket a lot, and this is actually us having cleaned the basket pretty well. You can see the one thing that's got a knock against it is that the basket, after a while, because of the heat, it kind of warps a little bit, and you can definitely see that. You can see that, you know, it's still usable. It's still, nothing really sticks to it, right? So it's still got enough of the coating on it that it's good. But the nice thing is, when we first got it, the other knock that it had against it was that it had kind of a smell to it, like a chemical smell to it from the Teflon or whatever it's coated with. That goes away, of course. You got to use it. But that's, you know, a couple different things on it, right? So you can see that it's a little bit warped in the bottom. You can buy replacements of this, right? So you can buy a replacement, no big deal. The other thing that people knock against is that it has 3 screws in it, right? So you can probably see those right there. They connect to the handle. At one point, one of those screws came out and it was laying in my basket of food. So 2 things with that. One is, when it comes out like that, your first instinct is pick up the screw. That screw is damn hot. Don't pick up the screw. That will burn your fingers. And it seems like a logical thing to say until you see it and you go, oh, let me just grab that quick. Anyway, so tighten it back up. Not that big a deal. So we tightened it up, and I haven't had a problem since. So I think it's just that they loosened over time, and that's really kind of what happened with it. The other nice thing with it is you can easily take out the basket. So it's just this little thing slides away, push the little button, boom, take the basket out. And then this makes it a lot easier cleaning the bottom of it. So you can see the bottom's much, much cleaner because, you know, the bottom's easier to clean because it's flat. It's not a grate. So anyways, so that's really it. And then it slaps back in here. You get your fingers out of the way, and there you have it. So one question we got from one of our viewers is, does the food come out nice and crispy? Absolutely. I mean, that's really the claim to fame with this, is if you put a piece of pizza in here just to heat it up quick, it will come out crispy like it came out of the oven, but you're not waiting to preheat the oven. French fries, very crispy. Anything that you can think of that you know, like my Taco Supreme recipe that will be in the link below, very crispy, it comes out fantastic. So that's really the claim to fame of the air fryer, is that the food really comes out really crispy without all of the deep frying, the oils, the badness that comes with, you know, a lot of that fried food. You eliminate that by using an air fryer. This one has been fantastic for us. I know there's a lot in the market. This one's got really pretty good reviews on Amazon as well. So give this a shot, and I think it's held up really good for the last year. Again, we use it like crazy. So it's not from that we use it once a week. We probably use it 3-4 times a week to make various stuff. And frankly, it's kind of fun to try to make other things with it too. Desserts. We made some donut type things in it before. We make dinners with it. So we do kind of a lot with it just because it's a quick, very painless way of cooking food very fast for your kids. And so that's it. Subscribe to our channel. Put a link in the original video that we did below. And whoever made the knock on me that the basket didn't look that dirty, it looks dirty now, doesn't it? So anyways, that's it. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.